So the next thing we're going to be doing is to make our toppings, right? Yeah. And by the way, we did introduce the fact that we're going to be using chicken. So it's a choice. It's a healthy pizza. So you can choose to use chicken or not to use chicken. But we're going to put some chicken just to make it a little bit,
tasty and rich.
Exactly. So what I'm going to do to our chicken now?
So I'm going to fillet my chicken.
Okay.
I'll first of all take off the peel.
The peel, the skin.
The skin.
Exactly, because we have more fat in the skin.
So I'm going to fillet it by discarding all the bones.
The bones. So we need just the shredded aspect of the chicken. Okay.
So here's what I need.
Okay. So we have our shredded chicken just like that, and then oh wow, fantastic, that's great. So that's what we do to the old chicken.
Yeah, that's what we do to the old chicken. And I have my cheese here.
We have our cheese, mozzarella cheese. Okay, I guess we're not going to be using so much of the cheese because we want to try and control the amount of fat content that goes in the pizza, just to make sure it's as healthy as possible. After we shred the chicken into the fillets, we stir-fry it. Exactly. And
this is
stir-fried chicken.
Coming out so beautiful, chef.
Very nice. So the sausage with natural spices, garlic, ginger, just to give it that natural taste.
And this my shredded cheese.
The mozzarella cheese. Yeah, so like I said, it's actually fattening, but the idea is that what makes the pizza is when the peas, allows the toppings to stay intact. So, but we could actually control the amount, the quantity of cheese, just to reduce the amount of fat.
It could take paramount, loss of any budget. Oh yeah, my girl. Oh yeah, my way. The bills on me. Say the money ain't a thing. Me I do for the fame, It's a bird, it's a plane. It's looking your DJ. Shady say you sing past me. You talk, say you street past me. Tell us how bad. But I made her give us beat, make us see if you go boss past me. I hear Toro. And life is beautiful. I hear Toro.
So now we have our pizza in our electric skillet, Saladmaster electric skillet, the good boy. And at what temperature are we going to continue baking?
I'm going to continue baking by 130. I'm going to use 130.
130 degrees. Okay, so we're going to continue baking at 130. Fantastic. Okay, so how long are we going to allow that to bake?
I'm going to allow it for like 7 to 8 minutes.
7 to 8 minutes. Fantastic. Okay, no problem. So we're going to cover and allow it to bake. Like I said, the good boy, the electric skillet is actually something you need to have at home. You can bake like you see. We're trying to make a pizza here. You can make a pizza. You can make a shawarma. You can actually do a lot from the comfort of your home, just to make sure you are eating healthy. So you need to actually get one of these babies right here we're looking at. You need to actually order for your baby right now. Okay, now so let's check our pizza. How many minutes did we allow this to bake for?
After 7 minutes.
7 minutes. Okay, let's see what's happening. Wow, this is awesome. This is really nice. Can you see the way it looks? So the idea is we just wanted very little cheese, so it's not too fattening, and that's why it's like that. So if you really want more cheese, then it's a choice. You could decide to add more. But because we're trying to watch the amount of calories in there, that's why we made sure that we didn't add so much cheese. But trust me, this looks good already. This looks good and super healthy. I can't wait to have a bite of this. Viewers, I'm certain that you'll be able to learn how to make your very super healthy pizza. And then click on the subscribe button and also share with your family and friends so you get to learn more. Then our social media handles are just going to be on your screen. More healthy recipes are going to be coming your way. See you again next time.
Coming for the throne and the money. Put me on the track.